Meditation, a practice as timeless as it is beneficial, holds the key to unlocking a state of profound inner peace and healing. In this journey through daily meditations, you are invited to explore a path that fosters tranquility and restores balance to both the mind and body. This practice is not about achieving perfection, but about progressing towards a calmer, more centered self. The act of meditating daily isn't just a routine, it's a commitment to your well-being, offering a refuge from the chaos of everyday life. While we start on this exploration, it's important to understand that meditation is adaptable and can fit into various lifestyles. Whether you find a quiet moment in the morning, a pause during a hectic day, or a calming practice before bed, meditation can be tailored to your needs and schedule. The benefits of this practice are cumulative, meaning the more consistently you meditate, the more profound the effects on your overall health and mental clarity. Inner peace is often depicted as a state of perfect calmness, free from disturbance or stress, but it's more dynamic and accessible than this idealized image. True inner peace involves a harmony that allows you to navigate life's ups and downs with stability and grace. It's about finding a center of calm within yourself that endures, regardless of external circumstances. Achieving this might seem challenging, especially when faced with the daily stressors and demands of modern life. Anxiety, stress, and unresolved issues from our past can often cloud our mental landscape. Meditation introduces a way to gradually dissolve these barriers. By focusing on the present moment and acknowledging our thoughts and feelings without judgment, we begin to foster a sense of peace that is both healing and empowering. Regular meditation helps in managing stress by lowering cortisol levels, the body's stress hormone, and enhances our capacity to handle unexpected challenges. It also improves our mood by increasing the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood, sleep, and appetite. Meditation strengthens our ability to detach from the chaotic stream of thoughts, fostering a quiet mind that can rejuvenate and restore itself. Through daily practice, meditation not only aids in achieving fleeting moments of calm, but cultivates a lasting state of mental clarity and emotional balance. This ongoing journey into meditation is not about escaping life, but about engaging with it more fully, peacefully, and with renewed vigor. Starting on a meditation practice begins with creating a conducive environment, one that enhances your ability to focus and relax. While the physical space for meditation does not need to be elaborate, certain elements can help support your practice. Choose a quiet corner of your home where interruptions are minimal. This could be a dedicated room or a small space in your bedroom. The key is consistency. Using the same space can help condition your mind to enter a meditative state more readily. Comfort is crucial, so ensure you have a comfortable seat. Whether it's a cushion, a chair, or a mat, what matters is that your posture is supported. A straight but relaxed posture helps maintain alertness throughout your session. The time of day you choose to meditate also plays a significant role in how effective your practice can be. While early morning is ideal for many because it's quiet and the mind is not yet crowded with the day's worries, any time that fits into your schedule can work just as well. The regularity of your practice is more beneficial than the specific time of day. Mentally preparing for meditation is equally important. Before beginning, spend a few moments setting your intentions for the session. What do you wish to achieve? It could be as simple as seeking calm or as profound as finding clarity on a specific issue. Approaching meditation with a clear but gentle intention allows you to steer your focus while remaining open to the experience without rigid expectations. For those new to meditation, starting with basic techniques can be very effective. One of the simplest methods is focused breathing. Here, you concentrate on your breath, noticing the inhalation and exhalation, the rise and fall of your chest or stomach. Whenever you find your mind wandering, gently bring your attention back to your breath. This technique not only helps in calming your mind, but also trains you in the art of attention, crucial for deeper meditation practices. Another foundational technique is mindfulness meditation. This involves being fully present in the moment and observing your thoughts and sensations without judgment. Sit quietly and pay attention to the different parts of your body, any sounds you hear, or the sensations of breathing. The goal is not to empty the mind, but to become an observer of your mind's activity. This helps in understanding the patterns of your thoughts and eventually gaining greater control over your reactions and emotions. Each session of meditation, no matter how brief, is a step toward greater self-awareness and control over your mental and emotional health. Open your meditation practice and address common challenges that might arise. These steps will help not only in enhancing your current practice, but also in ensuring that meditation becomes a valuable part of your journey towards inner peace and healing. As your meditation practice becomes a more familiar part of your routine, you may find yourself ready to explore deeper levels of meditation. Enhancing your practice can involve several approaches, each tailored to foster greater mindfulness or connection with the self. One effective method is incorporating visualization techniques. This involves picturing a peaceful scene or imagining light flowing through the body. Visualization not only aids in deepening relaxation, but also engages the mind in a positive, constructive manner. Another approach to deepen your meditation practice is through mantra meditation. This involves repeating a calming word or phrase, which can help focus and steady the mind. The repetition of a mantra can serve as a focal point, reducing distractions and fostering an environment of inner peace. The choice of mantra can be as simple as a word like peace or calm, or something personally significant that resonates with your intentions. Maintaining a regular practice is key to deepening your meditation experience. As with any skill, consistency is crucial. The more regularly you meditate, the more natural it becomes, and the deeper your understanding and benefits will extend. Also, consider gradually increasing the duration of your sessions as you become more comfortable with the practice, allowing more time for your mind to settle into the meditative state. Even with a solid routine, challenges in meditation are common and entirely normal. One frequent challenge is dealing with distractions, whether internal thoughts or external noises. When distractions occur, it's important to acknowledge them without frustration and gently redirect your focus back to your chosen meditation object, be it your breath, a mantra, or a visual image. Another common issue is the feeling of restlessness or impatience. This can often be mitigated by ensuring that you approach each session without a demand for a specific outcome. Meditation is a process, and its benefits are often subtle and cumulative. Remind yourself that each moment spent meditating is a step towards greater peace and self-awareness, regardless of the immediate sensations or thoughts that arise. Some may find it hard to maintain a regular practice amidst a busy schedule. To overcome this, integrate meditation into your daily routine in a way that feels manageable. Even short, 5-minute sessions can be incredibly beneficial. Remember, the goal of meditation is not to perfect an art, but to enhance your well-being and provide a tool for handling life's stresses more effectively. Integrating meditation into your daily life is about more than setting aside time for quiet contemplation. It involves cultivating practices that enhance the quality of your meditation. One beneficial routine is engaging in gentle physical activities like yoga or Tai Chi. These practices not only improve physical flexibility and strength, but also enhance mental focus and breathing, qualities that directly benefit meditation. Starting your day with such activities can set a calm, centered tone that carries through your meditation sessions and beyond. Another supportive routine is journaling. Spending a few minutes each day writing down your thoughts can be a form of mental decluttering, making it easier to enter into meditation without a barrage of preoccupations. This can be particularly helpful if you meditate later in the day, as it allows you to unload the day's worries and achievements, creating a clearer mental space for meditation. Nutrition also plays a role in optimizing your meditative practices. Consuming a balanced diet rich in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and lean proteins can improve overall brain function and energy levels, making it easier to maintain focus during meditation. Avoiding stimulants like caffeine before meditation can prevent restlessness and facilitate a deeper state of calm. Regular meditation has profound effects that extend beyond immediate relaxation. Over time, consistent meditation practice can significantly alter your mental landscape, leading to lasting changes in how you experience life. One of the most significant benefits is enhanced resilience to stress. Regular meditators often report lower stress levels and an improved ability to cope with unexpected challenges, attributing this to the enhanced self-awareness and emotional regulation skills developed through meditation. Another long-term benefit is improved relationships. By fostering greater empathy and patience, regular meditation can enhance your interactions with others, making you more understanding and less reactive. This can lead to more harmonious relationships, both personally and professionally. Meditation can also support cognitive functions such as memory, attention span, and decision-making. These benefits accumulate gradually and can have a substantial impact on your professional performance and personal development. In a world that prizes constant productivity and quick decisions, meditation offers a moment to pause, reflect, and approach situations with a clear, centered mind. While we wrap up our video of daily meditations for inner peace and healing, let's reiterate the profound impact regular meditation can have on your life. This practice is a commitment to self-discovery and growth, offering tools to navigate life's complexities with greater ease and clarity. The key to reaping the full benefits of meditation lies in consistency. Like any skill, the more you practice, the more proficient you become, and the deeper the transformations you experience. It's important to view meditation not as a task to be completed, but as a nurturing pause in your day. This shift in perspective can transform it from a chore into a cherished part of your routine. Remember, the goal of meditation is not to achieve a blank mind, but to cultivate an awareness that leads to better control over your reactions and emotions. Each session is an opportunity to deepen this awareness and extend its benefits into every aspect of your life. In your journey with meditation, you may find that the practices discussed here are just the beginning. There are numerous forms and techniques of meditation, each offering unique benefits and insights. I encourage you to explore these as you grow more comfortable and curious. Ultimately, the path of meditation is deeply personal. It molds to fit your needs and evolves with your life's changes. As you continue this practice, you might discover not only peace and healing, but also a profound understanding of your mind and emotions. This understanding can empower you to live your life with intention and grace, facing challenges with resilience and accepting joys with full presence. Thank you for allowing this video to be a part of your meditation journey. Whether you are just beginning or seeking to deepen your practice, the steps you take today towards inner peace and healing are investments in a more balanced and fulfilling life. Keep moving forward, one breath, one moment at a time.